I went on my very first Disney cruise aboard the Disney Wonder, and I had a stateroom all to myself. And here's how it went. Spoiler alert, it was amazing. Woke up in San Diego, and our ship awaits. Oh my goodness. I just made it to my stateroom. It's so nice. Oh, heavy backpack. Honestly, the check-in process that I just did was not bad. And now I'm here. Oh my gosh, it's me. Here's a couch. This is so much just for one person. Oh, it's nice and sunny out here. Oh my gosh. Oh. Absolutely thriving right now. This is so cool. Okay, how do I turn the music off? Neat. There we go. Guys, I have a balcony stateroom to myself. So this is the Deluxe Verandah stateroom. I think that's what it's called. So it obviously has a bed, a couch, which I believe is a pull-out couch as well if you have more people sailing with you, the veranda, and then this little TV desk area, and the bathroom, which is like divided up into the shower and the toilet, which confused me at first. So this veranda stateroom actually comes with not only a shower, but a full-on tub. I have never stayed in a cruise that actually has a full tub and not just a standing shower. The shower has this shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which I'm assuming is from their onboard spa. At the front, you'll find this makeup towel and this giant body lotion, which is definitely going to come in handy here in the sun. You have the sink, obviously, and then, oh my gosh, these towels. I'm obsessed. It's actually exclusively designed, made by Fret. Look at that. That's really cute, too. Big fan of the towels. I want to take one home, but I guess I can't. I'll get in trouble. Other little details you'll find are hidden Mickeys everywhere. So this is like on a light. There's also a lot of storage, like a lot. Also, in case you were wondering, there is a mini fridge. I like that it's like wooden, like everything else. I'm just keeping my wine in there. Just gonna interrupt the video for 1 second because you're probably really curious as to why I'm by myself on a Disney cruise. And if you know anything about a Disney cruise, they are not cheap by any means. I actually got this experience for free. I work in the travel industry, so this was kind of a free perk that was given to us by Disney, and it was super awesome. I'm so grateful for this experience, and I traveled with some of my coworkers as well, but I did have my own stateroom. Okay, I hope that clears some things up. Enjoy this next footage of the buffet. We're sailing. This day so far has been so chaotic. We got in, did all the security stuff to get in, saw my stateroom for like 10 minutes, and then we've just been going around exploring everything, and now I have about 30 minutes to get ready, get dressed for dinner. So for dinner tonight we're going to Tiana's place, and I've just been scrolling through the menu, which is huge. Like, I've been on a few cruises before where the set menu, there's usually like 3 appetizers to choose from, 3 mains, 3 desserts. I've only been on really cheap cruise lines, so this is definitely the fanciest cruise I've ever been on. So anyways, I'm looking at the menu. There's a lot of interesting stuff. Let's get changed and go get delicious food. Oh, and then we're gonna go to the hidden, no, not the hidden Mickeys. We're gonna go to the Golden Mickey's show. Super excited about that. This is gonna be a very chaotic vlog. and you're just gonna have to accept that. I am so sorry. Let's go do this. This is what I'm wearing for dinner. It says that it's casual, so I'm just wearing this black dress, just super comfy. I'm definitely gonna have a food baby by the end of the night. Okay, let's go eat. So I just came back from dinner at Tiana's place. It was so good. The theming of everything, the attention to detail was so impeccable. Like, it went beyond my expectations. But I have just returned back to my stateroom to rest a bit, and look at this, a crab. Welcome aboard Disney Wonder. On behalf of our entire team, enjoy your Disney Cruise Line experience. So cute. And we have these little chocolates. Ooh, and a little swag bag. Let's see what is inside. Oh my gosh, a Disney Cruise Line water bottle. This is awesome. I can put my wine in this. And a little notebook. Oh, that's so cute. Disney Cruise Line. And this bag is definitely gonna come in handy. I can like walk around the ship. Oh, there's one more thing. A pen. Disney Cruise Line pen. Also, the portion sizes here are, oh. Okay, there we go. The light was flashing. The portion sizes here are ginormous. So we got beignets for dessert, and I could not finish mine. So I will be eating that tonight as a little midnight snack. Yeah, that's the thing about a cruise, is you don't stop eating. You just keep going until you're at capacity. I don't know if you can hear it, but the ship is very shaky, which made for a kind of disturbing sleep. I kind of felt like I was sleeping during like an earthquake, like everything's shaking. So it took a while to fall asleep to that. It was a little spooky. I forgot to mention that on Disney cruises, you can get a free charm at the jewelry store at like a certain time each day. This is a 4-night cruise, so I can collect 4 free charms, and today at I think 10 or 11 a.m. there's like a shopping show where you basically have to sit in a seminar for an hour, but at the end we apparently get the free bracelet that we can actually connect the charms to. So of course I'm doing that. I like free things. But yesterday this was the first charm that we got. It's like a whale tail, super cute, and it's free. So yeah, just a pro tip, if you're ever on a Disney ship, they give out free charms. So that's fun. Free things do not come often when it comes to Disney, so definitely take advantage if you're into jewelry. I opened up my laptop to start work for a little bit, and I opened this drawer underneath the desk, and there's postcards. I would have never noticed this. Some Disney Cruise Line postcards. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I definitely want to take this home. And then here's the ship. Disney Wonder. There's another pen in here, little envelope, and it looks like there's these little cards where you can order your breakfast, room service. I was wondering about that. And you just hang it on your door. Super cool. I need to take these. Hello, I'm getting ready for Pirates Night. I've received my headband, my Pirates of the Caribbean headband. They gave it to all the guests. As usual, today has been very hectic, so I haven't really had the chance to update you guys about what I've been up to. But we are currently sailing away from Cabo. Bye-bye.
It's high time you learned how a bloodthirsty crew really celebrates. Right, you swabs?
Mickey won't let you get away with this!
Well, folks, I promised you a party, so here's a party in the sky! Look!
This is so cute.
Good evening!
Guys, I just came back from eating at Animator's Palate and it was so good. It was such a great last dinner to have on this ship. And I just got back to my stateroom and the last towel I got is this wiener dog. Fun fact about me, I love wiener dogs. They're my favorite. I want a wiener dog someday. I love it. We have one more show tonight called Enchanted, and then we're off to Disneyland. This has been an insane experience.
Let's be careful, don't think he'll hesitate a bit, 'cause
All no time to waste. Let's get
so cool.
Prisoners must see the